Hi, Blake again here with 1517 Music to share with you our arrangement of Lo How a Rose Ere Blooming. This is the acoustic version, and you can find the full band version available on Spotify or Apple Music or wherever you stream music just by searching 1517 Music, and you'll also find this arrangement there eventually as well. This hymn I love because it talks about prophecy and fulfillment and that coming to fruition in Jesus. The melody itself is a little bit different than the traditional melody, but I've played it many times in a congregational setting and it works very well. Congregations catch on quickly. I've got my capo on the 3rd fret. The song itself is in C minor or E flat, and it goes like this. Lo, how a rose in blooming from tender stem sprung, of Jesse's lineage coming, as prophets long have sung. It came a floweret bright amid the cold of winter, when half spent was the night. That's it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks again for listening.